Yandra and Bulavanaka. Come and have breakfast with us at Manor Island Resort. We got fruit, we've got bakery items, we've got toast, we've even got made-to-order omelettes, yum! Pancakes, rice, noodles, eggs, sausages, eggs, bacon, spaghetti, baked beans, hash browns, and I got some poached eggs, yum! We're eating like kings and queens. It's time for a walk to the South Beach. Stunning day. You know I love dogs. Hello! Then we found the first market with local jewellery. What a view for work. Lovely ladies. Another dog. Check out its eyes. Come here, puppy. Look. This is the life for a dog. So cute. Puppy. Hello, puppy. Then we had a look at another market just up the beach. Then we met this puppy. I'm going to name her tour guide because she literally showed us around the whole beach. Thanks, tour guide. But check out these dogs just lounging around at the market while the people at the back are getting massages. I'm so getting one of those. Hola. Kids being kids and playing in the sand, so much fun. Then I showed everyone how it's done, how you climb a coconut tree, but unfortunately the footage got lost. We watched the staff unpack tonight's lovo. This is my first lovo ever in Fiji. Yum! It smelled so good. Alright, straight to dinner. Sweet potato, cassava, taro, seafood chowder, beef stew, surua octopus, halusami, yum! Lovo pork, fish, and desserts that we didn't even get time to fit in. This was just our round one. It was amazing. Thank you for Lovo nights. Yum!